Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I am going to show how to replace URLs in WordPress using Elementor. Because Elementor provides us the functionality to replace URLs freely without installing another plugin. And guys, if Elementor is not installed, then you can install another plugin to replace URLs in WordPress. It is also the good plugin, and I will also share the link in the description how this plugin works. So let's start with the Elementor. So first of all, you have to go to Elementor and then tools. Then you have to go replace URL. And in these fields, you just have to put old URL and the new URL and then click on replace URL. So first of all, I am going to give you an example. For example, copy this link. So guys, as you can see, this is without HTTPS. Then I am going to replace with new URL with HTTPS. So as you can see there. So guys, this tool is useful when you have all URLs in the database and you cannot able to find it. And you just install the SSL certificate on your website and your links are the old. Then you just have to click on this button, and then as you can see, there is no records because we do not have such thing, but it was just for the example. So like this way you can replace your URLs easily with the Elementor, and you can also use this plugin. I will put the link in the description how to use this plugin. And guys, if you find our video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.